Well, good morning. Welcome to WTOL 11 Your Day. I'm Amanda Fay.
And I'm meteorologist Diane Phillips.
Happy Monday to you. We were just talking about it being a Monday today.
Yes, I think I'm having one of those Mondays. I was a little scattered before the show.
Forgot to do a couple things. We're here. We've got it. You know, it's a little rainy outside. And after having a gorgeous weekend, it does kind of feel like a Monday, doesn't it?
It does. And this weekend was fantastic.
It was so great.
Yeah, the weather was picture perfect. I think on Sunday I was outside as much of the day as I could be.
Yeah, we spent most of the day outside yesterday too. We got to barefoot at the beach at Maumee Bay State Park on Saturday night. It was fantastic. And after missing last year, it was just really great to be back on the beach, and the weather just couldn't have been any better. So now we're dealing with some rain on this Monday morning, and we're probably going to be feeling rain a little bit this week, huh?
Yes. We're watching the tropics because Tropical Storm Fred's moving in. Of course, you know, tropical storms
mean rain for us.
Yeah, so we're going to be keeping an eye on radar through much of the day. Let's take a look right now at the first alert Doppler radar, because you can see that it's a good chunk of us who are starting our day with some of that wet weather. We will have some heavier showers. You can see there just riding along the eastern portion of Wood County. So as we zoom in there, though, we don't have any lightning. It's just going to be those heavier downpours. So it's going to be stretching all the way from Woodville down to Bradner. But overall, we aren't, again, seeing any thunderstorms. So it's just these showers of some much needed rain. Here's another heavier downpour that we have in Huron County, riding along Route 250. So again, no lightning, but it's just some of those heavier downpours that we are keeping an eye on. You will need the wipers if you do have to make any drives to any doctor's appointments here this morning. But a lot of our energy from this rainfall is going to be fueled from Tropical Storm Fred. So we were just talking about it a few seconds ago, and we are waiting for that to make landfall headed through the panhandle of Florida and into Alabama. Now, the hour-by-hour forecast will keep some rainfall in. The heavier downpours, we'll start to scale those back just a little bit, but plan on keeping the First Alert Weather app open throughout the day because it'll take time for these showers to move on out. I don't anticipate our Monday to be a washout, but we will still continue to see some rainfall. Overnight, we'll keep a few showers in, but we'll be dealing with the potential of more dry weather rather than the wet weather. But once again, as we head into Tuesday, another chance of rain starts to build in, but we're looking at about a 30% chance of rain. Our temperatures this morning are sitting into the mid to upper 60s, but yet we do have some lower 60s the further west you do travel. So a comfortable start to our day, but highs, we're going to keep those on the lower end as well. They'll be around 75 degrees. We'll keep a couple of showers in, and as we head into the next couple of days, our temperatures will slowly start to warm up into the mid 80s as early as tomorrow. But much of this week, we are going to be talking about some rain chances. It's not a washout, but it is still going to be a little bit of a rainy week. And as we head into the weekend, looks like there's going to be a couple of shots here or there for some showers and storms as temperatures are going to hold steady into the 80s. Amanda?
All right, Diane, thank you.